नमस्कार, प्रबोधन दिशा न्यूजमध्ये आपले स्वागत। मेहता महाविद्यालयातील पदवीधर झालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा प्रमाणपत्र देऊन सन्मान। ऐरोलीतील JVM मेहता महाविद्यालयात सुमारे 400 विद्यार्थी शिक्षण घेत आहेत। विविध शाखेतील पदवीधर झालेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते प्रमाणपत्र देऊन सन्मान करण्यात आला। प्रमाणपत्र वितरण सोहळ्यास प्रमुख अतिथी म्हणून डॉक्टर SG डक्कप्पा, महाविद्यालयाचे विश्वस्त VN हेगडे, कार्यकारी सदस्य KH देशपांडे, जनरल सेक्रेटरी VB मुंगली, जॉन थॉमस, राहुल मांगले, अवधूत अकलेकर, RJ पाटील, प्राचार्य BR देशपांडे, SS टंकसाली आदी उपस्थित होते।
ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Thank you, Mrs. Janvi Chesagar and Mrs. Archana Sama.
प्राचार्य BR देशपांडे यांच्या हस्ते मान्यवरांचा सन्मान करण्यात आला।
Thank you, sir. I request our Principal Executive President. Thank you, sir. I request Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I request. Thank you, sir.
All to this momentous occasion. Our convocation, sir, today is a celebration of achievement, perseverance and new beginnings. To our graduating students, congratulations, this day belongs to you. I extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. S.G. Dakkappa, former principal of this college, first principal. I also welcome Srimati Dr. Maya Dakkappa, guest of honor, Honorable President and Chairman College Governing Council, Sri V.N. Hegde sir, Honorable Executive President, Sri K.S. Deshpande sir, Honorable General Secretary, Sri V.P. Mukherjee sir, Honorable Joint General Secretary, Sri John P. Thomas sir. I welcome Managing Committee members, Sri Rahul Mangle sir, Sri R.J. Patil sir, Sri Avadut Dakhlekar sir, and Sri Samar Daiglas. Members of faculty, I also welcome faculty, staff who have gathered here today to share in this special milestone. Convocation is not just the culmination of academic effort, it is a tribute to every challenge overcome, every goal achieved, and every dream pursued with passion and commitment. Dear graduates, as you move forward, remember that this success is not only about personal achievement, but about making a positive difference in the world around you. I hope you will continue to grow a lifelong learners and responsible citizens. Once again, I welcome you all and thank you for being part of these celebrations. Congratulations and best wishes. Thank you.
It's a wonderful day which you all have been waiting for long. You have taken one step further in your career. Many of you would be continuing your further educations, and some of you would be getting into your professional life. What is more important is whichever you field you are in, you need to excel. It's a competitive word. Excelling in your own field would only be the ultimate success. The student life is a bit different as you mature yourself from graduation to further professional life or further education. There are a lot of other things which you need to inculcate. One such is the social responsibility. We need to change not only ourselves, we need to change our surroundings. It's a very complex world. You must be hearing a lot of things. It's not as simple as it was when we were passed out as graduates. Very competitive, very complex. So many things which determine, like today we have a tariff war. It's not just a physical war which we used to see earlier. There would be an intelligence war coming in, and sometime AI, you must have already witnessed some of these things. You need to be alert. You need to make change in your own surroundings. So I take this opportunity to wish you all the best and further success in your future career. Thank you. All the best.
Immediately acquired this place and developed into a huge complex. Initially, I worked as a principal of this college for a few months. I had retired already from my educational line, but I had enough knowledge of administration working as a principal in 2 colleges for a period of 12 to 15 years. I like to state that during initial stages, I tried my best to stay in the outside help the college come to this. The management immediately proceeded with CIDCO and obtained this large space for the college and built a huge complex. Normally, the management has to struggle hard at the initial stages to run the college. With a few years, say about 15-20 years, the college has developed into a huge premises, helping about 4,000 students in various fields. I would like to state that education is one part of your life. As you get your education, you should also try to develop the other careers which will help you in your life. Normally, getting a degree is a usual course of your life in the college, but at the same time, if you could achieve some other additional qualifications, work in social life, work for the downtrodden, it will be a great addition to your life. Normally, all these facilities are not available to all the people. I therefore suggest always make a point to find out opportunities, not wait for the opportunities to come your way. With these few words, I don't want to take much of your time. Thank you very much.
Secondly, for us, as far as college is concerned, we have been holding this convocation for a few years now. Definitely, it's a matter of pride for us. As per the guidelines from university, we have been conducting this convocation ceremony in our colleges and distributing the certificates to all eligible students. In the introduction about Shri Dakappa, again I repeat the same thing. The reason is, perhaps, if Shri Dakappa had not advised our then management, perhaps this college would not have come here. Because of his advice, our then management approached CIDCO for this land and could able to buy this land on lease. And today, it is for all of you to see that a huge complex is being built. And we are also proud that we have been imparting a quality education to all of you. Students, it's a time for you to think about the future. That is, some of you may pursue about your professions, some of you may pursue future education, higher education. But one thing, any quality of education, any quantum of education, whatever you earn, you need to turn it into wealth. How it is possible, you have to think about it. But in the process, in the transmission of your one stage to other stage, you need to be transparent and honest. I caution you, by seeing or looking at society today, don't get diverted. Follow your inner soul. I repeat it, follow your soul to build a career in your life. Otherwise, karma haunts. Always think about honesty, how you can develop your future. And one more thing is, we have been noticing that particularly in the field of either pure science, pure commerce or arts, the students who are pursuing is coming day by day, is coming less. Everybody wants to be an engineer, either a doctor or a chartered accountant, but at the same time, you think about, I think I have already told in the last time also, Government of India is encouraging students, once you are attaining your degree or something, going to the field of startup companies. Government of India as well as state governments also, they are giving lot of financial assistance with less interest or no interest for a few years. Therefore, you must be knowing up to 2014, there are hardly 5,000 startup companies in India. Whereas now, it is more than 1.5 lakh startup companies. I will give you one example. A student who just completed his master's at the age of 23 or 24, 23 I think, was not knowing what to do. Then with his fellow friend, he started one company called Zepto. You might have heard about it. Within 10 minutes he is supplying materials to you, groceries to you, vegetables to you, fruits to you. Today, within 2.5 years, he has developed a company of 5,000 crore worth. For a boy of 20 to 23 years, with the help of his friend, he would be able to advance throughout India. He has opened the branches. Even Kadava also has 2-3 branches. I don't know, I wrote it, maybe, might be there. So this has happened because of the start of procedures, process, concept. He would be able to get some finance from the government of India, state government, and they started his own business. So for you also, why don't you think in this line? Everybody cannot get the employment. So my appeal as well as advice to all of you today is think about all those things before processing or pursuing further either education or employment. All the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
तर विविध शाखेतील 300 विद्यार्थ्यांचा मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते प्रमाणपत्र देऊन सन्मानित करण्यात आले.
मगरे प्रतीक लक्ष्मी साहू
Gnan Vikas Mandal, established in the year 2001. Today is the convocation program. We have invited our former principal, first principal of our Gnan Vikas Mandal, Sri S.G. Dhakappa, who is the chief guest for the today's program. Many students who have completed their graduation, today we are awarding them convocation certificates. So our Gnan Vikas Mandal's President and College Governing Chairman Sri V.N. Hegde and Executive President Sri K.S. Deshpande and General Secretary Sri Vasmurthy Mugli and Joint General Secretary Sri John P. Thomas and Management Committee members have come for the program which have been the organizing by the college and with the procession, with the started convocation program started with the procession, and thereafter the convocation program is being held in the auditorium of the college. The college has a good infrastructure. There are many 4,000 students are learning in our college. We have programs such as BCom Accounting and Finance, BCom Banking and Insurance, BCom Management Studies, BSc Information Technology, BSc Computer Science, BAMMC, BSc Plain, and even 4 PG programs we have: MCom in Accountancy, MSc in Electrical Chemistry, MSc in Organic Chemistry, and MSc in Information Technology. So the college is one of the reputed institute in our Airoli area. The college has got A+ grade from the NAC this year, 3rd cycle. Thank you.
My name is Sakshi Omprakash Srivastav. I am from JVM Mehta College and I am taking admission 2023 in for MCom Advanced Accounting Specialization. Conclude with a first of all, I thank you for everyone. Conclude with a warm message for supporting and reinforcing for my teachers and professors, especially Ujjwala ma'am and Prema ma'am, Kavita ma'am and Deshpande sir. Thank you.
My name is Watson Lewis. I have been studied since degree college and MCom degree college, so it's been a good career for me, and it has given me well education also. There are a lot of career activities here, so one can select this college because it can give you some kind of extracurricular activities. And I thank Deshpande sir for providing me education, good education. Thank you.